Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay, very good. Students, now is the session of economics. Okay, and in this very session, I am going to explain the remaining topics of the first chapter, that is about the shift and rotation of PP curve. Okay, this is the topic of today's discussion in video session. Already we have discussed that a PP curve is the graphical presentation of all those bundles or combinations of the two goods which can be produced in an economy by utilizing its resources fully and efficiently and in a given state of technology. Already we have discussed. We have also seen that a PP curve has the two basic characteristics which are called a PP curve is sloping downward from left to right because of the negative relationship between the two goods x and y, and second, a PP curve happens to be the concave to the point of origin because of increasing marginal opportunity cost. Okay. So students, after this we had also discussed in online class about the opportunity cost and marginal opportunity cost. So long as opportunity cost is concerned, it refers to the foregone income which a factor could have earned in its next best alternative use, or opportunity cost in fact is the value of a factor in its next best alternative use. So long as marginal opportunity cost is concerned, it refers to the difference between the value of a particular resource or factor in current use, in present use, and in the next best alternative use. Okay. In context of PP curve, the marginal opportunity cost or MOC in fact is the rate of sacrifice in terms of one commodity to produce some additional units of another commodity, as you have seen in the graph or in the PP schedule also. So this MOC in fact is the rate of sacrifice. Okay. And you know, when we move from one bundle to another along the PP curve, this MOC keeps increasing. That means the quantity, the amount of one commodity that is sacrificed to produce some additional amount, additional quantity of the another commodity keeps increasing. That means the rate of sacrifice keeps increasing throughout the PP curve when we proceed from one bundle or one combination to another. Okay. And this MOC is ever increasing throughout the PP curve because of the specialization of the resources or factors. Since each resource or factor has a specific use, has a special use in which its productivity will normally be very high. Okay. And if this resource, this particular factor is shifted from one use to another, then it is shifted from a special use to general use in which its productivity will be very less. So if we want to produce one more unit of another commodity, then continuously more and more units of another one commodity have to be sacrificed. Okay. So because of this a special use, a speciality of the resource, the MOC is ever increasing. And you know students, this ever increasing MOC makes the PP curve concave to the origin. Okay. Now let us explain about the shift and rotation of PP curve. Okay. Already we have seen what does a PP curve show. A PP curve of an economy shows its maximum productive capacity, its maximum productive potential, and that is why it is called production possibility frontier. Okay. What might be the maximum productive capacity of an economy primarily depends on the two factors. First, it depends on availability of the resources, and second, it depends on the condition, the state of technology. So long as the resources are concerned, if there is growth of resources or if there is an increase in the stock of resources, then the economy will be in position to produce more and more. And if there is a decrease in the stock of resources or reduction in resources, then the economy will be in position to produce less. That means its productive capacity will reduce. Okay. So based on this concept, the PP curve may either shift in rightward direction or in leftward direction, showing increase or decrease in production of both the goods X and Y. In context of PP curve, we have taken only the two goods X and Y for convenient explanation. Okay. Suppose there is an increase in resources of an economy, then its productive capacity, its productive potential will increase. That means the economy will be in position to produce more of both the goods X and Y, and therefore its PP curve will shift in rightward direction. It will shift from left to right. So you can say that if there is increase in resources, then the PP curve will shift in rightward direction, showing increase in production of both the goods X and Y. Okay. Just think opposite. If there is a decrease in a stock of resources, if resources decrease, then what will happen? The productive capacity of the economy will reduce, as a result of which it will be in position to produce less of both the goods X and Y, and in this circumstance the PP curve will shift in leftward direction, or it will shift from right to left, showing decrease in production of both the goods X and Y. Okay. The next one is the impact of change in technology on the PP curve. Okay. What is the role of technology in production of goods and services? Already we know. By using improved technology, advanced technology, upgraded technology, we can produce more, either with the same amount of resources or by utilizing less than that amount of resources. So technology plays very important role in determining the productive capacity of an economy. Okay. So if technology improves, then there will be rotation of PP curve in rightward or leftward direction, either from X axis or from Y axis, which I will explain in the next class. Okay. Till then, I would like to say thank you very much.